Start with lifestyle changes like twice daily cleansing, healthy eating, gentle moisturizers, and plenty of sleep. You should be aware of sun damage. Make sure to protect your skin by wearing sunscreen, finding shelter when you are outdoors, and wearing hats to shield your skin from the sun. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY treatment for normal skin. You will need orange peel powder 1 teaspoon, reduces the signs of aging, fine lines, free radical damage and wrinkles, dark spots, scars, tan, sagging skin. Barley flour 1 teaspoon. Barley also contains selenium, a mineral that doubles as a powerful antioxidant, which helps protect skin cells from free radical damage. Cold cream 2 teaspoon. Forms a protective barrier on your skin that prevents moisture loss and keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized in winter. It can also make your skin feel more textured. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste, apply all over your face for 15 minutes, and then rinse it off.